Let's explore this official GMAT problem. To get maximum benefit from this video, pause the recording now and solve the problem for yourself. The correct answer is A. First, let's categorize this problem. We've got two groups of households, those that use brand A soap and those that use brand B soap, and we've got an overlap. That makes this a two-set problem. If your strategy for two-set problems is to use a Venn diagram, I've got a simple message for you. There's a much better way. I don't believe in being a bossy GMAT teacher because I think flexibility is so important for the GMAT. But here I'm going to make an exception. This method that I'm going to show you is definitely better than a Venn diagram. It's called the double set matrix. And it works like this. We set up a table with 3 lines across and 3 lines down to help us organize our information. Next, let's put some labels here. We can pick one of the sets, the households that liked or used brand A soap, and we can label that as one column. Then we're going to label the other column as the opposite. And this is very important. The opposite of brand A is not brand A, the households that didn't use brand A soap. Don't make the mistake of putting brand A in one column and brand B in the other column because the double set matrix won't work. Brand B we're going to save for the rows. So we can have brand B here, and then the households that didn't use brand B is the opposite set going here. Great, let's put some numbers in our table. This 200 households, well, that's the total of the total. That's going to go in the far right corner. This 80 that used neither brand A nor brand B soap, let's find the appropriate box. It's going to go here. And then the 60, they used only brand A, but they didn't use brand B. That's going to go here. Now we can see the other advantage of the double set matrix. The rows and the columns are going to add up. So this 60 plus 80 is going to equal this box over here. That makes it 140. And that means that we've got 140 households that didn't use brand B soap. So how many households did use brand B soap? That's another sum. The box above plus 140 equals 200. That's 60. So far, so good. Now, let's be good problem solvers and keep a note of what we're looking for. I'm going to draw a circle around the box that we're being asked to find in this problem. This will help me stay on track. Okay, so this problem is a medium level problem. It's not just a double set matrix. There's an extra twist. We need to deal with this sentence here. This really means for every one household that used both brands, 3 used only B. Recognize it yet? That's a ratio. So somehow let's put this ratio into our table. I'm going to write it like this. It's a ratio of 1 to 3 between these two boxes. For the final step of solving this problem, there's a few different ways we can do it. We could make an equation, 1x plus 3x. We could use a multiplier for the ratio because we know it needs to total 60. Or my favorite is to work backwards from the answer choices. If I try out answer choice A, that would be 15 in this box. 15 times 3 makes 45 for this box. And hey, that works out. Answer choice A is the correct answer. Click the link below for some follow-up tasks.